Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how LightKit app works. This video will be a full walkthrough of LightKit from setting it up to use all of its functionalities. So, let's start. Firstly, navigate to the side panel of Webflow and locate apps from there. To use a development app, we firstly have to set it up to our local server. Then we have to run the development app and launch LightKit from there. To get started, we have sign in or create an account. Without signing up, you will not be able to fully use LightKit. To sign in or up, we have to click on the Get Started button from the top. Then we have to log in using our credentials. Upon successful login, you will be able to view the available components for use. To use a LightKit component, you have to click on the component, and a window will load showing the control panel to customize the component and a preview panel to preview the component before injecting to Webflow.
On the preview panel, there are two tabs. One is for previewing the custom-made component and another one is for pre-made templates. On the pre-made templates tab, you can see some pre-made assets that are ready to use on your project. From there you can copy a component to use that on your project. When a component is copied, close the app and select body element. Then just press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the component. To make a custom component like input field, relaunch LightKit and select a component from the list. Then customize the component by your need. To use an input field component, you must select a form. After selecting a form, you can see there is two palettes in the edit panel. One is for general settings like form titles, subtitles and submit button customization. Another one is for input field customization. After adding titles, subtitles and necessary info, when we click on Add to Preview button, we can see the preview on the preview panel. Also we can edit the given info by clicking the Edit button on top of the General Settings palette. On the Input Field Customization palette, we can switch between different input types, make a field required, can add label, placeholder, hint etc. Also we can assign a CMS field title there. When customization is done, we can see the preview of the input field by adding the input into the preview panel by clicking the Add to Preview button. To edit an added input field, we can click Edit button beside the input field. There we can edit and update the input field. To delete an input field, we can click the Delete button beside the input field. It will delete the input field permanently. Upon adding our needed input fields, we can inject the form into Webflow Editor by clicking Add to Webflow button. Now we can customize the form on the Webflow Editor either by using the existing classes, or we can style the form free-handed by adding new classes to the project. After finishing the styling, we can preview the form from the Preview button on Webflow. Then we can publish it to see either it's working or not. We've published the site, now let's check if everything working perfectly. After filling up the form, let's check the CMS record. Here we go, everything is working perfectly. Thanks for watching the video.